Welcome to Quora Marketing. By the end of this training, you'll be confidently using Quora as a powerful marketing tool to drive website traffic and generate sales for your business. Quora is one of the largest question and answer websites in the world, and it's a lot less competitive than other marketing channels like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. It's also growing extremely fast, so now is really the time to get in. In this training, you'll learn how to answer questions that attract a huge audience that you can then funnel back to your website. I'll show you how to identify questions that you can really answer, and I'll show you how to structure your answers so you can really grab people's attention and move them back to your website. I'll even show you how to use Quora stats so you can identify what you're doing well in order to grow. And I'll even show you how to track in Google Analytics the traffic from individual questions and also how that contributes to the goals of your website. We'll be covering all of this as well as plenty of other tips and tricks so that you can get the most out of Quora. Let's get started.